Print image on the blank side. Don't print on the watermark side. Select plain paper. Set quality selection to high and deselect fit picture to frame. Click print. Once printing has finished, please check if the image is complete. Don't touch the image until it is dry. Try for 10 minutes. After the image dries up, then you can cut it. Use scissors to cut off the extra white part of the paper. Leave a small white corner for easy peeling. Then, peel away from the white corner. Retain the pattern side and discard the back of the paper. Then, use scissors to cut off the extra white corner. We lay our clothes on a solid surface. Don't use a home ironing board. Shift the button of the iron to the cotton and linen and pay attention to turn off the steam. Then we can iron the clothes. The images we will transfer should face up. Then, put it in the right place for the clothes and cover with isolation paper. Start ironing the image. Lightly place the iron on one side of the image, then slowly move it to the other side and make sure the image receives the same amount of heat. Heat the entire image to fix it to the t-shirt. Then press the iron hard on one side of the image, with about 8 kilograms of force. Press the iron hard to heat the image and hold all areas of the image heating for 5 seconds. Then move slowly to the next area and continue to press hard to heat. Apply maximum, firm and constant pressure to the iron. Repeat this step to press iron and heat the entire transfer paper. Circularly heat the entire transfer paper for 5 minutes. It is crucial that all areas of the image receive equal lengths of ironing. TransOurDream. Never give up.